Hi, I'm Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher, and I've been having a lot of people ask me if I will please start providing just one quick little vocal tip every week here on LinkedIn and maybe on Facebook too. I don't know. I haven't decided. But I decided, because I've gotten that recommendation like 3 different times now, that I'm going to go ahead and start doing that. So the very first thing that I want to talk about in the first 3 tips, not just one, is the breath and how to breathe properly, because you need to think of your breath as the river that's carrying the sound of your voice. So here's the very first little teensy breath tip, one of 3, and that is to stand up with great posture and expand your rib cage, okay? And actually for this particular one, I'm gonna give you a little bit longer tip because I have a personal example from a student that I was working with several months ago. Her posture was great, her technique was great, she sounded fantastic, and then when she started to sing, here I was playing the piano. This is before COVID days, so we were in person. I was playing the piano, and she was singing her song, and all of a sudden her voice just left her. And if I remember correctly, I was looking at the keyboard, and I turned to her and I said, "What is going on?" And she's like, "I just don't know. I can't figure out exactly what's going on." And started playing again. Well, this is a little embarrassing to admit, but the student figured out what was going on before her teacher did. She was holding her music in her hands down here. So not only was her rib cage not expanded, but her posture had dropped like this. Her head was down, her neck, was like this instead of like this. And that's what made her voice go away. So just remember, especially as singers, but please speakers too, your posture is so important. So stand up straight, get great posture, and make sure your ribs are expanded and those intercostal muscles are stretched when you're breathing and when you're speaking. Laura Handke, Lake Oswego's transformational voice teacher. Thanks for stopping by.